Okay, I'm recording now. You better get started.
I can't hold it. It's too heavy.
Running.
We're going to do it or not?
Go, go, go.
No.
No, I'm supposed to be down there to catch. Yeah, to get down.
Should we check we've got reception? Come on, ambulance. It's alright. It's alright. Okay, you're rolling.
Hang on.
I feel like...
Okay, go, go, go. You ready?
Yeah. Okay. No.
You're on tape. It'll cope. Fucking hell, that's high. Oh, now it's good.
Don't push me. Don't push me. Stop me. Okay. Good job.
Whoa, again! You're going to have to jump off in the middle. Oh, I'll do that.